In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an accountant to FreshBooks. Now to do this, first you want to open your dashboard, then go to the Accounting tab over here on the left. And from here, click on Invite at the top right, and you want to click on Accountant over here. So of course you have two options. You have Accountant, and you can see what they can access, or you have Accountant with full access, so it's completely up to you. I'm just going to add the basic one over here, but no matter which one you click, it's going to be the same setup process from here on. So first you want to enter in their name and last name. I'm just going to put myself over here, for example, like this, and then the email address. So for example, like this, I'm going to put in my email address over here, which I use for this tutorial, and then I'm going to go and click on continue over here, and that way, as you can see, you can send the invitation to, the mail is correct, subject is over here, and the message is going to be like this. Click on send invitation, and then to their email they will basically receive the accountant invite just like this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.